Hello guys, how are you? You are looking for innovating watching. So today my topic is Canva, another tutorial. In this tutorial I will tell you how you can create cover design, magazine cover design. So guys, this is a very useful skill on the Fiverr. If you have this skill, so you can earn a handsome amount on the Fiverr. Let's go on the Fiverr. So we'll tell you. I have this magazine cover design. So you can see there is so many gigs available. 9026 gigs available. They are providing the same niche services. So you can see this is the all design. Also you can see here is right. I will design anything in the Canva including question using main thing is they that person are work are doing on the Canva. So guys, the Canva is a very useful thing for design. If you have not design skill on other tools. So guys, let's go on the Canva and create a magazine cover for any book. So let's go. So here is the Canva dashboard. You can see there. So you can find on this slider. If you have not, you can find uh, you can type there and search find to there magazine cover. Okay, let's go to there. So first of all, I will decide which niche I will design the cover design on which niche. So I think I will design for movie magazine. So guys, if you are designed for a cover for any movie, so you can take anything. Also, so let's go with guys. If you are designed for the uh, magazine for any singer, so you can use this template. So guys, this is a editable template. You can just do edit on yourself. It's not a big thing. So as you can change the background, like you can put there, and you can text color change. Everything you have requirement you can change easily. So this is a way you can design on the Canva. So if you have any question about related magazine design, you can ask me. It's up to you what design you want to. Also, if you want a uh, customized design, you can also design on there. Otherwise, this is a thing you can design on the Canva easily. Hope you have understand this video and learned to there. So guys, take care. See you in the next video. Thank you.